Choo-choo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we're on a choo-choo. Aaron, what are you doing? Choo-choo. No? Nothing?
He's bewildered.
Oh.
Save it now.
Red? What?
Oh.
Can you wave, Aaron? Aaron, you see the people? Yeah.
Choo-choo.
Is that a whole nother part right there?
What are we
Or
on
is that
here?
part of it?
Say choo-choo. What are we on? Say choo-choo.
Oh my god!
Look at Barbie. There's Barbie. Oh, there's
Papa Choco. Joking.
I still have that on video.
Oh, we have that on video?
A duck? You see the duck? Good. That is a duck.
There's my girlfriend. So easy.
Choo choo.
Duck, yeah. Duck. Duck. Look at it. Raccoon.
Oh my gosh, Aaron, there's a cow.
There's a cow.
There's a cow.
Kangaroo, actually.
There's a moo.
You recording this?
And there's a duck.
There's a duck.
There's a piggy.
Oh, and there's a sheep.
Uh-oh, he's losing his shoe. Losing your shoe. Hold on to that. Hold on.
Aaron, what do you think?
Give it back when we're done.
Haley, what do you think?
Awesome.
Hold on to it together. Oh, what mommy this was shoes.
Here, videotape. I'm gonna get a shoe on. Here. Here.
What are you doing, Aaron?
Oh,
What in the world?
it's a toe out. That's right.
Aaron, what are you doing? We on the choo-choo? Choo-choo.
If you throw it off the side, we'll never get it back again.
Choo-choo.
It's gone. Let me hold on to it.
Thank you.
Let me hold on to it. Gonna start.
I don't want to get sunburned. That's why I have his hat on. I put a bunch of stuff on it.
That's a good idea. Choo-choo. What are we on? Choo-choo. You on the train?